May I request all the attendees to give a warm welcome to our chief guest, Director General NIELIT, Dr. Madan Mohan Tripathi. We also have the pleasure of having with us Director NIELIT, Dr. Tute. Let's now take our seat. As we take a moment to settle in, I would like to wish a very good evening to everyone. It is an honor to have you all with us, our esteemed chief guests, and all the other attendees. So let's move forward with our program swiftly. To start this auspicious gathering, we would like to formally felicitate our esteemed chief guest to express our sincere gratitude for being able to grace us with his presence. So we would kindly invite Dr. Tihluih, Director NIELIT Aizawl, to felicitate our chief guest, which will be followed by a welcome speech from Dr. Tihluih.
अब हम हमारे डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NIELIT डॉक्टर मदन मोहन त्रिपाठी जी से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगा कि वो अपने आसन से खड़े हो जाए और हमारे निदेशक महोदय डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर Tihluih से कहना चाहूँगा कि वो आगे आए हमारे स्वागत करें।
I'm very much happy for NIELIT. It is an unforgettable day because Director General NIELIT is kind enough to visit NIELIT Aizawl. So I would like to, first of all, welcome our respected DG Sir, Dr. Tripathi ji. Then all my colleagues of NIELIT Aizawl, then all the media persons. So I welcome you all. Today it is an auspicious day that we are launching new courses because till now we are running 2 diploma, BCA, MCA, then MSc Electronics. From this coming session, July session, so we are increasing another 3 courses, that is BTech in Computer Science, AI and ML, then BTech Electronics and IoT, then MTech AI and ML. So our Director General Sir will launch this program for NIELIT Aizawl. So with this, I conclude my welcome address. Thank you all.
And also to continue on with the speech and to take his stand.
अब मैं हमारे अतिथि जी से अनुरोध करना चाहूँगा कि वे नया कोर्स का शुभारंभ करने के लिए माउस का उपयोग करें।
Director of NIELIT Aizawl, my colleagues from NIELIT Aizawl and media, friends from press and media. It is indeed a great day in the history of NIELIT Aizawl that we are launching 2 BTech programs and 1 MTech programs as a part of NIELIT team to university. It is also a matter of pride for the state of Mizoram that one more central university campus is now part of their state. Normally getting a central university is a very difficult task, but a new campus has been added, and this center has been upgraded to be upgraded as a deemed to be university campus. These two BTech programs are very interesting. One is in AI and ML, another is in electronics engineering, and focus on Internet of Things. So if you look at the specialization, which is the most relevant, and there is a lot of potential not only for employment in this area, but there is a lot of potential to create startups or create your own industry or create solutions for your own people. So IoT and AI both have that kind of capability, which will largely empower the youth of the state and also help to improve the economy of the state. So that's why these two programs have become very, very relevant. And on top of that, we also have an MTech program in computer science with a specialization in AI and ML to create a very specialized manpower which will be working with many industries. Now I would like to just tell about this NIELIT deemed to be university, that how it is going to be different than other universities in the state. You must be having like NIT here and other Mizoram University and many other institutions are already working, and they are having the academic programs like BTech program and MTech programs. So why NIELIT University? I mean, are we going to again create some manpower who look for employment? Or we are going to give just academic degrees? So that question comes into the mind of the people. This university has been designed with a very specific purpose by Ministry of Electronics and Information. All the academic institutions other than NIELIT, they are part of Ministry of Education. NIELIT University is part of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So it is the first university under a very specialized ministry. So Prime Minister and through our minister has given this mandate to NIELIT that the university will focus on creating very specialized manpower who will be able to create products for the nation, product for the country. And in this university you have given a slogan, move from project to product. Means if you look at the academic institutions, students are doing some projects, some report and some ideas, little bit they create some model also, but they are not understanding how the particular model or work can be converted into a product. That's a very different kind of expertise and skill is required. So we have tie-up with all the top-notch industries in the country like Tata Electronics in semiconductors domain, Infineon Technologies Germany again in semiconductor domain. In AI we have MOUs with Intel and Nvidia, both are the top companies. We also have a tie-up with the first space company of the country, Skyroot Technologies. We have MOUs with Kendall, which is one of the topmost company in DevSecOps, and there is a lot of jobs available. In cyber security, we are working with Microsoft and IBM. So you name the industry, NIELIT has a working MOU with all these industries. And we have invited industries to create our curriculum. And there is a difference. Where other universities and institutions are going to offer academic program, NIELIT's program are 100% designed by industry, 100% owned by industry. And industry has promised that they will provide internship to all the students. And the curriculum will be so flexible. We will allow students to work on industry projects from the very beginning, from the first year itself or second year itself. And we are so flexible, we say we are not recommending any fixed course to you. To complete this project for industry or product for industry or creating some solutions for the industry, whatever you want to study from anywhere, from any platform, you do it, we'll take into credit. So that's why we bring a lot of flexibility we bring lots of agility in the curriculum itself, and it's very dynamic in nature. So that will actually more important for the students, because what is happening, students are studying in a 4-year BTech program, and 60% is the coursework is of no use. We want the student to work very focused on a particular segment, so that at the end of the day the student have a product, he has a patent or he or she has a patent, or he or she can commercialize it, or a student can create its own startup based on the product. So that is the whole idea, so that every student which come out of NIELIT University actually help to develop their own state, solve the problems of their own state. So the student coming out of this university will have a very different kind of a skill, that the student can apply it to create some meaningful solution and products, and not just a degree, and after that it start looking for employment. So that is the basic difference what NIELIT University is going to offer as compared to other academic institutions. So I want to just make you understand that why this new university has been added. And from very beginning, all the industries are with us. The MOU we have done with Tata Electronics, and you know that in Guwahati Jagi Road, the Tata Electronics plant is coming, and it's a huge requirement of manpower in VLSI, chip designing, semiconductor, around 85,000 in the next 5 years. NIELIT has been given the responsibility to create this manpower for whole of the Northeast. Our mandate is to train all the students from the Northeast, and so that they can be employed in the Northeast, and there is no need to go out of the state. So with that objective, the government of Assam has given us 10 acre land by the side of Tata Electronics plant in Jagi Road, where we are creating Center of Excellence in Advanced Packaging, so testing and packaging. And from the Northeast, the manpower will be created for the whole country. So it's a new scenario which has emerged, and new focus on the Northeast what government has given, and NIELIT is supporting. And the way we skill, there is another objective before that. Industries many times say we don't want to go in a particular industry because skilled manpower availability is a challenge. So we want to solve this problem. We want to tell industry, you come to any state of the Northeast, there is no dearth of skilled manpower. NIELIT will provide you. You bring in a student. So that is another idea, that there should not be a shortage of talent, a shortage of skilled manpower to the industry, which becomes many times hindrance to them to come here and help in the process of economic development of a particular state. So these are the certain reasons why this NIELIT University has been designed. And you know that we are offering free our courses to SC/ST students. So it was again benefit. We also want to work for inclusivity. So very soon we are going to launch a digital platform where a lot of labs will be on the virtual platforms. It is supported by a lot of virtual labs, studios, and you'll find that the student of this university will be having theory classes online from the best people in the industry. We are creating studios in Delhi and major cities where people from industry will directly come and teach our students the concept part, and the practice they can do in our campuses, hands-on they can do in our campuses. We are also making a lot of virtual labs which are with advanced technology like AR, VR and immersive technology, so that they learn labs online. We have done many experiments. We have created a smart lab in Calicut. It is available to any student in the country, where you can do all the experiments related to embedded system, VLSI design and IoT online. There's no need to create a physical infrastructure for that. And it is open and free for any student of any colleges. Similarly, we have a cyber forensic facilities in Kohima, which is completely online. The state-of-art training we are providing. Now 27 India ALA is creating one will be here also in Aizawl, and that will be completely focused on the AI training, and that will be hub for the AI training. So you take any emerging technology which has employment potential, we are working on it. So these initiatives supported by the digital platform will really create more number of skill power. It will be force multiplier, because we have 2 centers, one in Lunglei, one here, but we want to reach out to every student. So digital platform will really help us to reach out to every student in any corner of the state, and so that they need not to travel. And the cost of travel and cost of living in a bigger city is too high for many students. They cannot support many times, even though we don't charge fee. But the cost of staying somewhere like Aizawl is a very costly affair. So the digital platform will be, which will be launching mostly in July, will really bridge that divide. It will bridge that gap, and the same quality education which is given here will reach out to every part of the state and every part of the country also. Recently we also started training in other countries. NIELIT has started training in more than 6 countries this year, and maybe next year we'll be reaching out to more than 10 countries also. So our programs are now become very popular, not only in India but outside India also. So with all these initiatives, I believe that students of the state will get benefited, and it is my wish that NIELIT Aizawl Center should become a leading institution in the state. We have to support the students through placement support, creating more opportunities not only for job but for the entrepreneurship. And you'll find that during 4-year programs, you'll be mentored by many entrepreneurs. We'll also be teaching those skills which normally a BTech student doesn't face during 4-year, like how to source money, how to pitch for an idea, how to arrange money for your ideas, and how to convert into a successful startups. So all those training will also be part of the curriculum. And we wish to reach out to every student, hopefully. So this is all about NIELIT University. Already they are doing very good things. I think the mobile van will be doing good, and we'll be upgrading it with more courses. With that, I again thank my colleague from Aizawl Center. They have taken a lot of effort to start these programs. It is not easy getting approval from AICT and all. They must have put a lot of effort, to doing that. And the faculty and other staff, I hope that they will do more hard work so that we can change the life of the students, because they are our asset. Youth is the asset of the country, and I know that if they are not properly skilled, it is really they don't become part of the economic development process, and then it's a wastage of. So any youth who is not skilled properly, and their whole thing is getting wasted. So it's a very pious responsibility given to NIELIT to reach out. That is very important. Reach out to every student. Nobody should be left out. This is our responsibility, to reach out to every student, and also our responsibility is to bring out their best, and that can only be done when you give your best. So with that, I thank again the whole team, and I thank all my friends from media who are here to cover this event. Thank you.
Or help you with regarding this required campus for a full-fledged university. In the press note, it is said that they have approached Mizoram government officials, but how far have you reached regarding this required campus?
Thank you. Regarding the requirement of land, for the last so many months, I am searching with the state government, and the SAR is also writing a letter to the Honorable CM. And tomorrow also a big program is to be organized here in Aizawl. So CM Saab and SAR will be the speaker for a particular period. So we'll take the opportunity of talking to the CM also. But till now, they are not giving us any, apart from this. They are not still giving us. And we have already approached Minister ICT, Minister PWD, and Minister Forest, and their secretaries also. And for about 3 months or 4 months back, actually I requested the Honorable Minister ICT while he came here. Actually, I talked with him personally also, and then I have written a letter also. He's with us and he's trying his best also to find out the land for us. But till now, it is not confirmed.
Is there any requirement about the size of the campus?
Actually, if we are having 20 acres of land, it will be okay.
What is the present strength of the student? Sorry. What is the present strength of the student? How many students are there? And from that, from outside Mizoram?
Right now, I think 3 students are there from Assam, and 6 students are from Nagaland. Otherwise, others are from Aizawl only, Mizoram only.
Total how many?
So, at a particular time, we were having around 600 students. 600 students in the long-term courses.
600.
Yeah, and in the short-term course like CCC, we will be having at one time more than 500, 600 at a particular time. So altogether, we can say that around 1,100 students are there.
Is it possible to say around the job placement from these achievements regarding job placement from this deemed university?
Or deemed university, I mean the first batch is going to come up. So we can talk about placement only after 4 years.
Okay. Before it was a deemed university.
Deemed university is approved last year only, so the first batch will take admission this year. Yeah, and this admission is from JEE Mains Counseling, JOSA Counseling. And if seats are not filled, then we'll conduct our own examination. I think we've already given advertisement, and if students may apply, they can appear in the written examination. We'll make a merit list from there. And if seats are not getting filled through JOSA, they will be given opportunity for admission.
How is the recruitment process? It's a local recruitment by written examination or it's a national level?
Recruitment for?
Is to start in NIELIT.
No, recruitment is all centralized because it's a central institution. So recruitment is all centralized.
That means they have to go through competitive exams?
Competitive examination, yes.
So you have mentioned that you need land capacity to accommodate new courses. Since the land capacity is not reached yet, will there be difficulty in the introduction of these new courses?
No. The courses which we are launching, for that there is space is there. Only when we want to add more courses in future, then we will be needing more space.
So when you have the adequate land capacity, what other courses can we expect?
We will add more BTech programs, diploma programs especially for the semiconductor industry. So if you want to suppose, like right now we are creating that in Guwahati, and if you want to create a training center for semiconductor skilling, we need more space because those equipments need a lot of space and all. So to start anything in semiconductor, we need more space.
What's your contribution in research? NIELIT's contribution in research?
NIELIT's contribution in research, if as a whole, you see, we have developed first indigenous ultrasound machine of the country, which we have transferred the technology to industry. Once it is manufactured, it will be around 50% price what we import. So that NIELIT has developed. We have taped out one chip, semiconductor chip, ourselves, at 180 nanometer. That is array signal processor. And that is also being used in many DRDO projects for beaming applications, in sonar applications. I'm just telling you the major contributions of NIELIT in R&D. This year we have taken admission of 19 PhD students also, and again we are going to take more PhD students. A lot of research papers have been published by NIELIT faculty, and patents have also been filed by the faculty. The smart lab which we have created in Calicut, I told, is one of the research outcome, which is in India nobody is having. IITs don't have such kind of facility where you can do the practice and practicals in VLSI and IoT and embedded system through distance mode. NIELIT has created first virtual training environment for the cyber security training in the country long back, and now in Kohima we have a cyber forensic facility for online, and similarly many research people have done. For example, I'll take an example of Kashmir, Srinagar. Kashmir Kaleens are very famous. So the Kaleens, to make this, the workers who make this Kaleen, there is a specific language that is called Talim. So they are completely uneducated people. They don't understand Hindi, English, Urdu, Kashir, no language. They only understand Talim, which is a sign language kind of things. So to create one design, earlier they used to take months, because it is on 50 pages design and every page takes many days. So our students, our own students who have undergone the AI training, they have created an AI solution for them. So now that AI solution is helping them. They are using the graphical user interface GUI. They are making the design using computer tools, and Talim is automatic getting generated. So that has reduced the whole time. So that is one example I'll take, that how skilling can create new solutions, new entrepreneurs also. Because in here also in Mizoram, if you look at, there are many problems which we don't know. Only local people know, here this is the problem, we need some solution. Problem to that solution can be created by your own people. But if they are rightly skilled, then they can apply it to, create the solutions. So that is a very, very important thing where we are working. So research is a very part of NIELIT. But with the university thing, we will be focusing more on the research. Because there will be MTech students, there will be PhD students, and 100% they will be focused on the research.
What are the placement opportunities assessed so far, like for the first batch that will be finishing? I just wanted to ask this because in a state like Mizoram, there might be very few opportunities. So will most of the opportunities be in?
Let me tell you, we have been running BTech program in electronics engineering in Aurangabad, and MTech programs in Gorakhpur, Calicut, and Aurangabad before becoming university also. And from all our campuses, there is 100% placement. You name any industry where students are there. So once this BTech program comes, because our placement is centralized, so every student of the country will get the equal opportunity to appear for the placements. And even before placement, all will get to work with industry during their internship also. So that is another thing. And once you go for a long-term internship, industry automatically give you offer. Yeah.
This is the last question. So, are there any issues that you have faced in Mizoram compared to your centers in other states? Like, for example, the land problem with land. Do you face this kind of problem in any other state or only in Mizoram?
See, every state has some or other problem, right? So obviously, in this state, land is an issue for anyone, because the hilly terrain and getting so many plain lands is difficult for the government also. But I think government is very helpful, and they will very soon they will give some space to us.
I will personally satisfied with the support that the government gave to NIELIT Center here.
Yes, why not? Yes. See, they have given this space to us long back, and that's why this center is working today. I mean, the support is immense.
Hello. I believe there is no further inquiries. We express our appreciation to the press for your participation and contribution to the event, and our.
First of all, I would like to say thanks to God for giving us this wonderful day and allowing us, permitting us, guiding us to have this kind of program today. And we also thank him that he have brought our Director General sir all the way to Aizawl over here, because just recently between Lengpui Airport and Aizawl, recently due to one stone crumbled across the road, almost the entire family passed away while coming back from Lengpui Airport. So we thank God that He have brought him safe and sound, and we also pray that God will be with him, guide him throughout his stay here in Mizoram and all the way back to Delhi. And our respected Director General, Dr. Imam Tripathi, sir, we thank you very, very much, because in the midst of this short period, you were kind enough to visit us here in our center and interact with us and grace this launching of the new course program. And I would like to thank our director for organizing such a beautiful program, and all my colleagues who have did a wonderful job organizing and preparing for this event. And I would like to thank the media personnel who have come all the way today. I know that time is very valuable, and there might be better news over there, some more exciting news in some other place, but you have took the time and spend the time with us over here, and we thank you very, very, very much. And I would like to thank our interns, the students of NIELIT Aizawl, and I would also like to thank the AICTE for granting us giving approval for conducting these MTech and BTech courses. And last but not the least, I would like to thank all the faculties, the staff, and all the employees who have been working very, very hard to get this approval. As Sir have said, it is not a very easy task to get this approval. So everyone has worked very, very hard. So I would like to thank each and everyone who have been working towards getting this approval. And finally, I would like to mention that this MTech, BTech, all this course is going to be, the course fee, the tuition fee is going to be free for the Mizo boys and girls. So those STSC, Mizo boys and girls who have passed class 10 can come directly to Diploma Engineering, then to BTech, then MTech, then soon we will be also opening up a PhD program, so they can start here right after class 10 and go all the way to PhD. So it will be a wonderful opportunity, so that I would like to emphasize on that also. And finally, thank you everyone for being here with us. Thank you.